Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Mazda BT50, stock number 6374. This ran from the 6 2017 to the 6 2020. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, front bonnet no damage, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,